Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make the best shrimp tacos you've ever had in your life. First thing you need to do is go to Costco and get some breaded Panko shrimp. Get our baking sheet or cookie sheet, foil over it, and we'll put our shrimp on there. All right, now I'm just going to go ahead and spray the aluminum foil so the shrimp doesn't stick. A little bit more. Look at these babies. So we're going to cook these, but we're going to remove the tail once they're done cooking. You don't want to be eating any of that in your top. All right, got the shrimp all laid out here. Now we're going to go ahead and cook these at 400 for 17 minutes. So the best results, you turn the shrimp over after 6 minutes. We're just gonna cook it. Okay, now we're gonna make the sauce for the tacos. This is the key ingredient. This is what really sets these things off. It's a number of things, but this is a key component. So we have mayo, chili powder, black pepper, Himalayan salt, white vinegar, and garlic. I'm gonna mix it around in this bowl right here and chop it up. Chop the garlic up over here. 1 cup of mayonnaise. How much chili powder?
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. 1 cup of mayo, 1 teaspoon of chili powder.
Pepper, a little bit of salt. And I always just eyeball this. White vinegar.
Just to kind of get it like the right consistency.
Mm-hmm. I'd say
like,
half a cup.
Like pancake batter or like ranch dressing consistency, right?
Like watery ranch
Water, yeah, okay.
dressing.
Then we just have to put the garlic in. So we got the garlic press out now. 1 clove of garlic. Mixing it in here.
Oops, I got a little garlic thing in there.
And a little splash of lime.
Just a little.
Okay, so now what you want to do is stir it until like you can kind of see the clumps in there. Try to make it as smooth, you know, basically like ranch. Smooth as possible. So I'm going to stir it for a little bit. Oh, whisk. There we go. Okay, we taste tested it. We need a little bit more vinegar.
I like it pretty zippy, so you can modify to your own taste.
Okay, there we go. I'm gonna set this aside while the shrimp's cooking, and let it calm for a little bit. Got the bubbles in there from the whisk, but it tastes good. And if you want more garlic, add another clove of garlic. If you want a little thicker, maybe a little bit more mayo or less white vinegar. All right, we went and got some fresh cabbage from Albertsons, and we're gonna chop this up. Next thing we're gonna do is make up these delicious corn tortillas. So we're just gonna add some vegetable oil to the pan here. Let that heat up a little bit. You don't want enough to bury the tortilla in.
3 minutes.
About 3 minutes to warm up, okay. All right, we let that oil heat up. And you just fry these up. If you want them more crispy, leave them in for a little bit longer. If you want them softer, take them out a little bit earlier. Drain it on the paper towel on the plate, get all that oil off. The shrimp are ready to come out. Ooh, look at those babies. Yeah. That smells delicious. Go ahead and pull the tails off of these two. All right, got all the tails off them. Got them on a plate. All right, we're all set now. So you can also add cheese to these if you want. We don't put cheese on them most of the time. Sometimes we do, but good shredded cheese is good on there. And then, so we just start with the tortilla right here. Put a couple of shrimps on there. Put about 2 shrimps per. Add some cabbage. Add some guacamole. Add some salsa and some sauce. There we go. Look at that. That smells wonderful. Let's give it a shot. It's hard to quit eating these once you get started.
I can't wait.
Give it a shot, see what you think. Nailed it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.